Well, I interrupt normal programming to bring you another PK exclusive. New auditor. Channel is named Not Sure. And he's currently in jail, been there for a month, facing some fairly serious charges and has 100,000 bond. Now I'm going to play a police chase. Not a very long one, but I want you to note about the 2-second mark. The female says, "We're being stopped." The story being put out is that this guy didn't flee, but you'll probably notice that he actually doesn't stop for another minute or so.
We're being stopped.
Check this out. What the fuck?
That other one's coming back.
Huh? Okay. Now
And following.
take them somewhere else.
Yeah, that one's turning around. Damn it.
They're not gonna pull me over. They got a reason.
There he goes. We didn't do anything. We haven't violated anything. That's a county too. He's at a boat.
So we're now stopped, and I'll probably fast forward a bit through this.
Relax. Nobody's reaching. Nobody's reaching. Relax.
Why are you
Hey.
here?
Step out of the vehicle
I
now.
knew this, Chris. Why
Listen
are
to
you
me.
here?
Not an option.
Listen, I didn't do anything.
Open the door now.
Hey,
We
wait a
didn't
minute
do
now.
Open the door
anything.
now.
I wonder how long it takes him to get out the vehicle.
Now.
What did I do? I
I
want to
will
know.
rake you out of that vehicle.
Why?
I'm
What did
putting
we
in park.
do?
You relax.
Open the door now.
What did we
Relax and let's
do?
talk, Chris.
Confronted an off-duty officer out.
I
Open
was
the door or I
asking a
drag you
guy
out.
why he was eyeballing me. I don't even know who he is.
An off-duty officer stepped out of the vehicle.
I want to know, did I break a law here?
You followed an off-duty officer.
That's not possible.
I'm not arguing.
Followed an off-duty
I
officer.
haven't broken-
He didn't do
I
that.
haven't broken any laws.
Step out of the vehicle.
All I did
You're
was
lying.
breaking the law
You're
right now,
breaking
Chris.
laws right now, and I have you
Chris,
on
you're
video.
breaking the law.
You're breaking the law
You wanna
right
know?
now.
What law
Well, that was over a minute and a half.
did I break?
Step
I
out
want to
now.
know what law did I break.
You're doing this on purpose. This is retaliation. This is retaliation.
I'm not.
You're doing this on purpose.
Anybody.
You're doing this on purpose. He didn't do anything wrong.
That's exactly what I thought.
I locked it.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
I'm allowed.
Well, we'll stop it there with John Medlock on his way to jail from about a month ago, and he's still there.